I'm Allie D'Andrea. I am a content creator in the hunting space, and today I'm talking a little bit about some considerations that you should have before posting hunting content on social media. One of the first things that I check myself before I post on social media is, am I showing respect for the animal? As hunters, we all have the utmost respect for these wild game animals that we're pursuing. And before posting on social media, it's important to check the images and videos that you're going to share and make sure that you're highlighting these animals with the highest respect possible. Number 2, is this legal and compliant with local game laws? As a hunter, this is really your opportunity to set an example for future generations of hunters and those around you who may be unfamiliar. Social media is quite literally the stage in which you get to share what it is that you love. So making sure that you are responsible and following all of your state's fish and game regulations is of utmost importance, and you're really setting the example for future generations. Number 3, does this represent a humane harvest? This really all comes back to respecting the wild game animals that we're pursuing. Number 4, will this foster positive conversations and respectfully engage the intended audience? When I post, I'm trying to bring people into my world, and I always want that to be a positive experience for me and for them. Number 5, am I demonstrating firearm safety? Prioritizing safety by treating every firearm as if it's loaded, keeping the muzzle pointed in a safe direction, and following proper storage practices as well as safe transportation when traveling with a firearm, bow, or crossbow. Number 6, am I highlighting sportsmanship in the hunting community? At the end of the day, we all share this common bond of being hunters, and through social media, we can support and celebrate each other. Number 7, is my caption providing context to aid in the responsible aspects of the experience? A lot can be taken out of context on social media, so the caption is a really good place to share a little bit more about what was so fun about the hunt, what you loved, the positive aspects of it, to better share the story. By taking into account these respectful and ethical considerations, we as a community can create an environment on social media that is inviting and positive and really highlights the sportsmanship between us as hunters and can hopefully invite in the next generation to want to join.